Welcome to another video of the Concord Pro evaluation series. I'm David Aboud. We're going to start by taking a look around the Concord Pro eval environment. This environment is created just for your team and provides you with an introduction to the web interface that will be installed on your local server. The Home tab normally provides you a preview of recent activity and projects. The Home tab in the evaluation environment is your home for all evaluation materials. The Team tab allows you to define users and roles for your organization. Click the Team tab in the browser interface. Select the Users tab. Click on Add User. Fill in the member email and desired roles. Click Invite. Select the Roles tab. Users in Altium Concord Pro are organized into roles. You can determine how much access and what kind to grant each role and adjust this based on your team and projects. Click on Add Role. Fill in the role name and member email. Click Create. Click the Projects tab in the browser interface. The Projects interface includes all projects that are shared with you and offers a range of controls to access project management features. Double-click on a project to open the Web Review. Web Review allows viewer access and commenting on all design files from the web interface without the need to install Altium Designer. Explore the Web Review tabs. Design, BOM, and Manufacturing. Close the tab and return to the evaluation environment. This release includes the ability to install a full sample dataset with a fresh installation of Altium Concord Pro. You'll also get sample-defined roles and lifecycle definitions, so you can be productive right out of the box. Click the Explorer tab in the browser interface to explore the sample data. The sample data includes a multi-board design project featuring 5 child PCB design projects, 690 components, and a collection of different templates for components, projects, and more. Click the MCAD Plugins tab in the browser interface. The MCAD Plugins section is generally reserved for the mechanical engineer's role. It allows you to see the available plugins for download. And instructions on how to get your MCAD environment set up for collaboration. Select the plugin for your MCAD system. Follow the instructions to get your MCAD system working. The admin section contains functionality that can only be accessed by those who are part of the administrator's role. When changing any settings, be sure to click the Save button at the top right of the page. Click the Admin tab in the browser interface. Explore the administrative options of the evaluation environment. Keep in mind that the evaluation instance is missing some functionality such as license management. The final section is Help and Resources. You can access software downloads, documentation, community forums, and technical support.